Recording in progress. Hello, 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 everyone. It is Ramira, aka Mira the Goddess. Hopefully you cannot hear me. Hopefully you can hear the airplanes. Hopefully you cannot hear the person that is mowing their lawn at 8:30 p.m. at night. But hey, we here. If you're not already following me, make sure you follow me everywhere. Mary the Goddess, MARATHEGODEFS into number two. Yes, I know it's Wendy and Goddess. That's how I want it to be. Um, okay. I recorded this video maybe a couple of days ago. However, I had just got off a 7-day concert run for the whole 8 days or whatever. So my energy was like so low. My it just was not trying to resonate what it need to resonate with. Okay. So I'm recording another one. I, I don't like recording in front, as you guys know. Hold on, pause. Ciao. Okay, sun is here. Me and Elmo's here. And when the sun is not here, he gave me Elmo. All right, so Mary Goddess, if you do not know me, I am 31 years old. I am a mother, I'm a businesswoman, and I rob banks legally. And I'm always here to teach you how did I say that I was a mom? If I did not say I was a mom, I'm a mom. 31 years old. I'm a mother. I'm a businesswoman, and I rob banks legally. And I'm always here to teach you how. Okay, can we just manifest that I say, and I'm a wife. I'm sorry. I'm a wife. I'm a businesswoman, and I rob banks legally. Okay, can we wife me? All right, let's add. All right, because girlfriend, mom, that sounds so. I love being these titles. Okay, however, let's wrap this all up in the bunch, okay? Because what's we doing? Future husband. I ain't rushing it though. God's timing, God's plan, God's plan. So I'm being patient. But hey, that Christ-like love, that don't come every so often. So, anyways, anyways, for the people who do know me, welcome back to the craziness, okay? Welcome back to the craziness. Here I am just y'all only get this on YouTube though. So if you hear and you found this, okay, you only get this on YouTube. You don't get this on TikTok. You don't get this on Facebook or Instagram. You might not even get this in real life, okay? I am, hey, I'm in my space, in my box, okay? So you might not get this other side of me. Okay, it's rare that you get this side of me, and you got to be knowing me for a good period of time. But since you my subscriber, we like in gang gang baby. Okay, hands is ashy. I felt today has been. I just had to clean. I'm still cleaning. I'm still in my cleaning process, but I had to clean. Um, yeah, okay, y'all, I got a dog. All right, so I have been recording as far as trying to do a day in the life. Y'all would think that, hey, dinner is made, we all ate, we are fed, okay, we are relaxed, we took a bath, we went outside today, I got a dog, okay, we played with the dog today, we went shopping for the dog or whatever. You would think, hey, now mommy's recorded. Mommy's been with us, fixed them breakfast. Not saying that don't normally fix the breakfast, but I fixed them breakfast. I what did we have for lunch? I fixed something up for lunch and then dinner. Okay. We You would think I'll just have this space to record. Say, hey, that's being a mom. All right, this is the transparency. I'm a mom. Yeah, yeah. All right, come on. So back to my spiel. I'm 31 years old. I'm a mother, a businesswoman, and I rob banks legally. And I'm always here to teach you how. How I do that is I trade the foreign exchange market, which is the largest financial market that there is, or it may be called forex. Um, There it runs 24/5. There's two different types of ways to trade forex. One by fundamental analysis and two by technical analysis. I'm a technical analysis trader, which means that I will look at price previous movements and patterns in the market and predict what may happen next. Okay. I keep it simple. I'm here for the beginner. I'm here for the person who just want to learn. Okay. I'm here for the person that's just like, hey, this could be a stepping stone to what I need to do for my next business venture. Could be for an investment for yourself. Hey, this could be funds to travel the world. Okay. All right. This can even change your whole lifestyle if you're dead dedicated for it. Whatever your goal is, it can be made here. Right. I'm just, I'm just, hey, I'm from East Atlanta, baby. Okay. It can happen. All right. I don't have a college degree. It can happen. Okay. I'm not saying don't go to college, but why pay tuition when you can make tuition? All right. So one of the technical tools that I do use is the candlestick, the Japanese candlesticks. And let's get into it. All right, it's a free download on any of your internet browsers. If you cannot find the real download, it's okay. I got you, boo. Because things has been changing and they took the link from us. Um, All right, before we go into anything, let me give y'all an update about my life. Let's see. I just took these nails off actually. But nails lasted a good time. My son actually turned 9 years old yesterday. We had a great day. Um, um, 4th of July is in a couple more days. Y'all, if you are trading, I know this is gonna be late. So you're like, well, why did you tell me even though you just said it? But NFP is actually for tomorrow and Thursday instead of Friday, because Friday is the 4th. So banks will be closed. Boom. Um, let's see. All right. That's all I think you guys need to know. Um, we started a new month as well. Sorry. All right. Candlestick trading Bible. All right. If this is your first time here, I just want to let you know if this is not the video that you actually need, but if you stumbled across me and you need to get to the beginning, you're in the right place. However, you're just at the wrong video, and that's okay. Once you get this book downloaded or reach out to me, send something in the comment. I got you to get you to download, but I need you to go and do your homework. Introduction, overview, and the history of the candlesticks. Okay. I did not record it this time. This is my third and final time, just to let you guys know if you stumbled across me. This is my third and final time of going through the candlestick trading miracle. Okay, time is changing. All right, the price has gone up. All right, Mira is not just at home no more. Okay, we is traveling and we got kids, and these kids is growing. And I want you to we started here at the beginning. We're learning the basics together right now. Okay. I need you to get to where I am plus better. All right. You got it. You ready? Can I hold your hand to lift you up here? And then when you get here, we about to sort together. Okay. I need you to do your homework. Homework, introduction, overview, history of the candlesticks. All right. Then I got you with all the other videos. We have went over what is a candlestick and its patterns, market structure. This is really good. All right. Time frames and top down analysis, trading strategies, the pin bar, and now we're at the engulfing bar. Um, we are going to go over trading the engulfing bar and sideways markets. And then we're going to also do the engulfing bar, the engulfing pattern with supply and demand. If I believe what I believe, this is how it's supposed to be. If not, then I'll break up this video into two sections and break it down for you because I don't want you guys to get confused. I think with these two chapters, um, we can combine them. But anyways, let's get into it. It's almost 9 o'clock p.m. The sun is going down. These mosquitoes is coming out, and baby, my charger is not charging. All right, so how to trade the engulfing bar and sideways markets. One of the most difficult markets to predict can be the sideways and ranging markets. I always recommend traders to focus on trading trending markets, focus on trading trending markets. But the problem is that the markets spend more than 70% of their time in range of motion. If you focus just on trending markets, you'll probably leave a lot of money on the table. This is the reason why learning how to approach range-bound markets is a must if you want to make a decent living trading financial markets. Yeah, I just said that this can change your life. Okay, who want to make a decent living? Who just want to just make money? Hey, a stack a day. All right, I just pay my mortgage. Hold on, let me pay my mortgage right quick. Hold on, let me make my utilities right quick. Let me make my phone bill right quick. Oh, okay, we're doing what? Okay, all right, let's push that to the side. All right, who don't want to worry no more? Okay, yes, I get it. More money, more problems. But who would want to? Who I want? After having those money problems, those big money problems. Hey, I got the money to take care of it. Okay, all right, I get it. All right, you ready for that? All right, is football the only thing that's gonna take us out? No, we got football, we got this, we got that, and it's okay. It's paid. You ready to pay for it, right? Okay, you ready to you ready to make your own financial decisions, right? Okay, we not relying on nobody, right? Okay, okay, okay. We just got we extra, and if you a wife, okay, we just extra. Okay, it's just extra because we got it. We know what we. Hey, okay, where my wife at? All right, I need to be surrounded by y'all. Okay, I just need to be in the. Y'all know they say be where you need to be, and that's where I need to be. Okay, wife. All right, I don't care. I don't care. I'm feeling all lovey dovey today. All right. Yes, wife me. All right, sorry. Uh, right. So, what is a range-bound market? When the market stop making higher highs and higher lows in case of an uptrend, or lower highs and lower lows in case of a downtrend, the price starts acting between specific high price and low price. This is a clear signal that the market is ranging and no longer trending. See the illustration below. All right, it's just ranging in between those horizontal support and resistance. We go over market structure. We talk about range bound markets if you need more in depth of that explanation. So we already know what range bound markets is. Okay, this ain't nothing new to us. As you see in the example above, the market is trendless. It is trading between horizontal support and resistance, and you can't apply the same techniques that you use in trending markets to trade the engulfing bar patterns and range bound markets. You can apply the same techniques that you use in trending markets to trade the engulfing bar patterns and range bound markets. All right, let me give you an example. Oh, wait, do I want to do this? All right, so basically, to sum this up, um, we know that when we're driving there, we have our fast lane, we have our kind of fast lane, we have our slow lane, right? Every time we get into these lanes, we have to drive a certain way. All right. Um, we know when we go farther to the left, we need to be pushing over 50, 50, 60, 70. Sorry, whatever the speed limit is, do the speed limit. But you know what I mean. All right. That's why they got that minimum speed and then the maximum speed as well. All right. When you in the city, you gotta just slow down. You can't be driving fast, but when you out there in the country and them dirt roads, baby, hit it. All right. So this is basically saying that you need to approach the market differently as if you're driving in a car, um, like on the expressway or you're driving inside the city or the country. All right. That just breaks it up. Right. You have to know this is basically this. And then also you have to know how to differentiate between sideways and choppy markets. All right, see the illustration about choppy markets. All right, that's our illustration. It says as it is illustrated above, the market trades in a crazy way. We can't identify major support levels and resistance. You have to stay away from these types of markets. Otherwise, you will definitely damage your trading account. All right, trading a golfing bar candle and range bound market is very simple. The first strategy is going to be about trading the price action pattern from measure support and resistance levels. All right, see our example below. All right, trading price action pattern from major support and resistance levels. Right. So if you see that engulfing bar near a major support or resistance, trade the damn trade. Okay. All right, so the second strategy is to trade the breakout of the range or wait for the pullback. See the illustration below. This was a false breakout, but a bearish engulfing was formed here. So we sold from our resistance level. All right. So is to trade the breakout of the range. So this was a false breakout. So you can trade false breakouts or even the actual breakouts itself. If you know it's a false breakout, of course you know you're not going in line with the trend that what the breakout was. It's false, so you want to go the opposite way. So in this case, we are selling. We're selling near that resistance level. All right. And then of course, price breaks here, breaks the previous support level here, comes back and retests. Then the engulfing bar is formed and we sell down. All right. So trade the breakout of the range. So here's that false breakout, or wait for the pullback. All right. Here we have the pullback example. All right. The third strategy is to trade the false breakout of the major support or resistance level. False breakouts are one of the most powerful price action strategy. It occurs on all types of markets. Um, it occurs in all types of markets. And if you know how to use it in combination with the engulfing bar pattern and a major support level or resistance, you will make money in the market because you will buy intelligently the bottoms and sell the tops. All right. Most false breakouts. It occurs in all types of markets, like market. Did I say that right? Commodities, indexes, crypto, all types of markets. Okay. All right. So basically, use it in combination with major support or resistance levels. All right. False breakout near that resistance, near that support. Here we have the same thing. Let's just basically just breaking it down. So here is the two types of ways, either by the false breakout or the um, pullback. Here we have same thing from resistance levels to support levels, right? Okay. All right. So yes, I think we can be able to do it because this is kind of short. However, I don't want this to be long. Let's see how many. Battery, 38%. Let's see what we get through. All right. Well, look, that was a beautiful retracement on GD. One of my students is actually trading this, and she got in to the buy. All right, let me see. I want to find something All right, do we got any bearish engulfings? Okay, cool. We got some bearish engulfings. And then I want to see if I can do this on a lower time frame. Um, so we can probably see the breakout in the false breakout. All right, so we have our engulfing bars. In this case, we're looking for bearish engulfings because we're near the resistance level. And then let's see if we can find some here. We have some here. Um, as bullish engulfings near our support level. All right. Pause, y'all. It looks like I'm gonna have to split this up because oh shoot. Baby boy is like, Mom, it's getting dark. Like he mommy. All right. We seen it here in Gotham Bar near resistance level. So the first, I really think it's just two strategies. Range bound is very simple. It's going to be trading a price action pattern from major support. We see price action. Price action is telling us. So then Gotham Bar, which we identify. Strategy two is the breakout. In this case, this is a false breakout or wait for the range and pullback. So let me see if we can find this here. This would be a false breakout right here, but I want to see if we can find this on a lower time frame. I just feel like it's something in my ear, like a bug or something. Uh, Yeah, let's see if I can go down on a lower time frame. Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, y'all, yes. We haven't really talked about head and shoulder patterns and anything like that. But here's that false breakout. This is on a 4 hour time frame here. We see the bearish engulfing and look at price action, like what it's telling us. Like, hey, we got the rejection right here, and then the bearish engulfing is formed, and then she falls down. Give us another opportunity. We can see that clearer on the daily time frame. But that 4 hour time frame, we got a better much entry with that false breakout. All right. Okay. And let's see if we can find it on a pullback on a 4 hour time frame. All right, so let's see. No, this was our only. This was the. This was the pullback. This was the indecision. Let me see what's on a 1 hour. Oh, I can't go on a 1 hour. Can't go on a 2 hour. Yeah. She didn't give us no pullback, pullback. She said, I'm dropping. I'm dropping. Um, this is kind of a range band here. This area right here between support and resistance level. I'm trying to get us a breakout and pullback, but she's not giving us great a great opportunity to get us a pullback. So I don't know what happened here. All right, so let me exit this. Yeah, I don't really like using current time. All right, daily time frame. Of course, she's ranging. She's not giving us her high. Well, this is on a daily time frame, so each candle does represent one day. On the lower time frames, we'll probably see the market actually trending, but on a daily time frame, we can see that higher highs and higher lows, or lower lows and lower highs, are not actually trending. They're going back and forth. Okay. Um. So if we zoom into this ranging market, we can see our bearish engulfings. All right, the engulfing bar pattern happens. Okay, price action still selling from the support resistance level. All right, I'm pretty sure this is a false breakout. I know, but on a lower time frame, we'll probably see bearish engulfings. I want to highlight this as something else with this orange. Um, All right, and let's see if we can find some bullish engulfing. Bullish engulfing. Morning star. Okay. So breakout pullback happens here. Um, there is a bullish engulfing right here. Of course, I probably would have got in right here because this is a tweezer bottom, but we're not talking about tweezer bottom. But the breakout happened. Finally broke all the previous swing points. The retest happened. It stayed at its support level right here, and price went up. Price predictive movements. All right, that's all that I'm gonna have for you guys today. So we went through the strategies, how to trade false. Oh wait, hold on. I want to show that false breakout too, if I can. Uh-oh, I did. Oh, that was. All right, bearish engulfing here. So those smaller time frames, you can find a bigger, I mean, well, a greater risk to reward. Yes. Also, you can find better interest. Then boom, still at our resistance level. It's the wrong color, but it's like that. What are you doing? Why are you wasting time for? Come on, get in the cell. Get in the fucking cell. Sorry, y'all. I just get so passionate about this because, like, what? All right, it's 9 o'clock. I need to charge my battery. I have to put some content out for you guys. At least I can get this one recorded. I will see you guys in the next video. If you're not already following me, okay, make sure that you follow me. Mary Goddess everywhere. Marathe. Looks like I have a boost. I don't. Marathe two and two number twos. Yes, I know it's one D and Goddess. That's how I want it to be. Hey, y'all part of the family now. So go ahead, subscribe, like, follow me everywhere. I will see you guys in the next video.